breaths. Ready, Jack? Yeah! Okay, now let's draw kind of a curve. Now we're going to draw a line that comes forward and back down. Now let's draw a line that finishes the neck and going back to the head. Now let's draw a circle for the body. Now let's draw a circle for the eye. Now let's draw kind of a line, kind of curve for the tail. Now let's draw another line, kind of curve for the tail. Now we're going to draw some little legs. Now let's draw some little arms and some curves for the fingers. Now let's drop it in red, Jack, yeah! Pink, red, and purple.